Welcome to Jamaica Homes, another video showcasing one of my beautiful properties here in St. Ann. Before I share the details of Villa Lujo, I'm encouraging you to like, share and subscribe to this channel. So I'm showcasing a beautiful 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom home in Civil Priory, St. Ann. It's very close to the historic Civil Great House, which is like less than a mile away. They have an annual Emancipation Jubilee event, which all of Jamaica comes to. Great event to attend. But apart from Civil Great House, there's also many attractions along this corridor. Namely, the home of Rebel Salute, which is Grizzly's Plantation Cove. It hosts many other events as well. And this entire corridor has many attractions, beaches, and it's close to the parish capital of St. Ann's Bay, which is less than a mile away. And of course, Ocho Rios is not far, another 15 minutes going further east. And if you're coming into Montego Bay, you're only an hour and maybe 15 minutes from the airport. So great location. Can't wait to share the details of this lovely home with you. Let's take the tour. So we're starting the Villa Lujo tour from the front of the house. This house has, other than the main house, which offers 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, it also has 2 1-bedroom self-contained flats. Now, as you can see, it has a separate driveway for those flats. So this could be a great income earning potential for the new owner, which could be you. The main driveway has an automatic gate and it takes you right up to the garage or the carport, which enters to the kitchen, through the kitchen. But we're walking through the pedestrian entrance, which is on the veranda. So this entrance to the living room, which you just stepped down, this floor offers 3 bedrooms, all with bathrooms, and 2 of the bedrooms have balconies. So we'll start with bedroom number 1 here to the front of the house. All bedrooms offer ceiling fans, high ceilings, and an AC unit. And as you can see, it offers a lot of natural light. I opened up the windows to allow the fresh air in, and as you can see, there are no lights on, and this is all natural sunlight. So the bathroom can be considered almost ensuite but it doubles up as accessible from the living room as well. So for additional privacy, what I like about this ground floor bedrooms is you can actually close off the bedroom and bathroom from the living room. By simply closing this door. Bedroom number 2 offers the same option. But the bonus is you actually have your dedicated balcony. Again, nice high ceilings, a whole lot of natural light, and tons of closet space. And like bedroom number 1, it has its own dedicated bathroom, which is almost ensuite. An important detail I have to mention, this house is being sold fully furnished with appliances. And you will see when we get to the dining area and even this, what could be considered a break front, it's real natural wood, very good quality. Completing the bedrooms on the ground floor is bedroom number 3, which is the premium of the 3 because it has its own, a bigger veranda, which is sort of a semi wraparound. It actually, the veranda, when we get to it, you will see that it is shared with the living room, but also affords its own privacy. So it could be an overflow outside space from the living area. And the bonus is the fantastic sea view that it offers and the view of the pool. You may have remembered I mentioned a fifth bathroom actually. So that bathroom is by the pool side. So if you have guests or an event by the pool, you don't have to have them traipsing through the main house to access the bathroom. Another great feature. Completing the tour on the ground floor is the formal dining area and the kitchen. And if you recall, when we entered, I mentioned you could have entered straight from the garage into the kitchen. Well, here's the perspective from the kitchen. So picture this, you drive in through your automatic gate straight into your garage. You have the option of going through your living room on your left here, which is where we entered, or straight through the kitchen. If you come in from grocery shopping, head straight to the kitchen, very convenient. Drop your bags on your island in the kitchen, and you start unpacking. Alright, we're heading upstairs after we've shown the formal dining area here, and remember it's being sold fully furnished. Look at that nice break front. Actually 2. And this nice 6-seater dining table. Looks like mahogany. Solid wood. Great use of space under the staircase. They utilize that space for a powder room. So we're heading upstairs to the primary bedroom, and there's also an office or study, or it could double up as the fifth bedroom. So it's on our right here, first stop. I really wouldn't mind working from here. This is a great sea view, nice breeze coming through. and you're actually overlooking the swimming pool. So this is the primary bedroom, very spacious. To my left here is walk-in closets. His and hers are double closets on the left and on the right. And then there's a bathtub, which is a jacuzzi, and a shower stall as well. And the premium view of Villa Lujo. Right up. We're blessed with a nice sunny day, clear, fantastic views. And it's not just the sea, look at all of this greenery. Looking at all the lush landscape of St. Anne, which is referred to as the garden parish. Now I understand why it's considered so. Look at the breadfruit trees, the almond trees, Poncia. Looking at the hillside there, beautiful. And for somebody who is security conscious, this house would be perfect because you have neighbors on either side of you, but not too intruding. So it still affords you your privacy, but that added sense of security. Right, so we're heading to the pool deck, but before that, there's a wet bar here. So Villa Lujo again is very ideal for entertaining because you have a lot of outdoor space. Look at this massive pool deck, and you could actually use here as, because it offers a wet bar, you could set up a full bar here and just have total access to the outside without interfering with the inside. And the kidney-shaped pool is a nice size. You can actually do some decent laps in it. Not like just a wading pool. And as you can see, the gazebo is there. And as mentioned before, it has its own dedicated bathroom. So we're going to the bottom level, which could be considered a basement, which houses a huge laundry room on our left here. A wash tub on the right, and then caretaker's quarters further down, but we'll get to that. So let's start with the laundry room here. Admittedly, this villa needs a few upgrades, but there's nothing that prevents one from buying a turnkey operation. It's fully functional. The previous owner actually had it on Airbnb and had a steady clientele before COVID when she decided to scale down. So the laundry room is very accessible to the self-contained flats as well because they're on this level, and there, as I mentioned before, there are 2 one-bedroom self-contained flats. And because the staff also reside on this floor, it's easy access for them as well if they are doing the laundry for your guests or for the household. So the 2 bedrooms are to the back here, and they share a bathroom in the middle. And it would be remiss of me not to showcase the fruit trees on the property. This is a huge breadfruit tree here with actual breadfruits, and it seemed to be ready for picking, or almost. There's a banana tree down there that is a citrus. Not sure if it's lime or orange. And I'm sure we can find other fruit trees, but these are the ones that are easily visible. So here's a mango tree. And our final stop completing this tour is the 2 one-bedroom flats. So this one, unfortunately, we don't have access to because it's tenanted right now. And the layout is a little different. I'm told this one is a bit more spacious. Offers a lot more character. But the one we have access to is this one here, which to me still offers quite a bit of character. And don't forget, the house is being sold fully furnished. You could not ask for better value for money than this house. Recap quickly. Main house has 4 bedrooms, en-suite bathrooms for the most part. It's on 2 levels. We have an outside bathroom by the pool side, so that could be counted as 5 bathrooms. It has a powder room as well, so to be exact, 5.5 bathrooms. 2 one-bedroom self-contained flats, which is where we're filming from right now. Massive pool deck, wet bar on the outside, 1/4 acre lot. The house is 4,500 square feet. It was built in approximately 2001, and it's being sold fully furnished. Again, great value for money, 500,000 US, which works out to be about 75 million Jamaican. There is a little room for negotiation. And one last detail which we may have overlooked is at the gate there's a little bathroom. There's a bathroom actually. So if you have, say you had a function, or if you even wanted to have a 24-hour security or even 12-hour security on premises, they have their own dedicated bathroom at the front, very strategically located. So remember to like, share, subscribe to Jamaica Homes, and thank you for joining me for another property show.